everybody, and welcome to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are going to review the cake decorating supply box. Now this box is full of just about everything you need to decorate and to make a cake. Let me show you what's inside it. So it's everything but the cake mix and of course the food ingredients, but it is packed full with all kinds of wonderful things. I'm going to be making a cake today, and I'm going to be showing you all the different things it has. It has a big supply of the icing. So this is to put your frosting on the cake. Also has beautiful doilies that you can use to make your cake look really beautiful. We have various sizes of spring cake pans. We have the small, we have mediums, we have large. We also have this sifter for the 10x sugar. I'm telling you, this kit has it all. Lots and lots of decorating tips. Spatulas, whisks, the knife to put your icing or frosting on your cake. It also has this serving. This is to serve your cake. Oh, we're not even close to finished yet. Then we have the rotating cake display. So this, you put the cake on once it's made, and that's how you can icing it, frosting it. We have all kinds of different spatulas to use. I mean, look at this. It's everything. But we're not done yet. We have cupcake liners. We have different cutlery. We have stickers. We have different props that you can use for cupcakes. Measuring spoons. All kinds of tools to make beautiful cakes. And more spatulas. I mean, we have it all. And then we also have one of these molds that you can use to make all kinds of fondue or whatever you would like. All of that in this box. Unbelievable.